Good evening, everybody. Cheers. Tuesday evening. I did nights last night again. Tough night as well. But, you know, I've been to bed, had a sleep, so I can get through this. I can cook tea at least tonight.
Well, 2 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours sleep. But I will be in bed tonight. I'll be in my own bed tonight. John cooked tea for me last night before I went on night shift. Thank God he did, because I don't think I would have ate. Anyway, tonight, quick, simple dish. It is a Waitrose one again. Don't worry, folks, I've got other dishes coming. Just at the moment, Waitrose are pushing out a lot of, like, summery quick dishes. That suits me this time of year. But I've got other dishes coming in the following weeks. But tonight, for supper, we're having a chicken, potato and fennel traybake. And I believe there's lemons in here as well. I could be wrong. Oh no, it's got, it says the potatoes soak in the juices from the fennel, lemon and chicken. Irresistible apparently, so we will see. Anyway, basically it's a one dish wonder. We're putting it all, because we're only having 3 chicken thighs, I haven't got the big tray out. We're not eating anywhere near as much as we used to do. Yeah, you know, I'm half asleep, come down the stairs, John sticks a thing in my hand and I didn't look that this dish was for 4. So what I'm doing is tomorrow night I'm doing roast beef. So we're going to have roasties, little roasties done in the air fryer tomorrow night. So that takes care of that. And the fennel I can put into a nice soup or a sauce or something. So not a problem. But what, good pointed out. Thank you, John. Just let me have a swig of my wine. This is a very nice rosé. Which one's this then? Ah, it's this one. By Mirabelle. They make Whispering Angel, so it's bound to be good. I can taste a good wine.
Just affording it?
Yeah, just affording it. I think this one was about £11.
Wow.
Yeah. But we got it in the 25% off, okay. So that brought it down to about £8, so hence the reason we've got it. You mustn't panic about the cost of the wine. I'm always looking for a good buy. Can't wait to go to France, so. Right, okay, so we took half of these potatoes in here. These are King Edwards, by the way, guys. So you're not using new potatoes tonight, which I think you could do this using new potatoes. But as it's the first time I'm doing it, we're going to more or less follow the recipe. Right, let's get these. John did all the chopping for me tonight. He's my sous chef, aren't you?
You're Sue.
Yeah, I'm Sue. I'm not the chef. Right. Oh, God. I might put a bit more fennel in, because I absolutely love fennel. And we've got potatoes and I'll put another spud in there, and the fennel in. I think so. Place it with the potato. Prepare the zest from the lemon, set aside. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice over the tray of vegetables. Drop in the lemon halves. So we actually only want to use half a lemon because it's half a recipe. So I'll cut it in half. Juicer. Old-fashioned juicer, I'm afraid. It just suits me. It's a good little juicer, actually. Right. That beep beep was just my oven going, telling me it's ready. Right, so I tip this. Okay. Did it say half a bulb?
No, it says whole.
Whole bulb. So I thought, well, so we're just going to shove this. I mean, that's going to roast, basically, in the chicken. And then what we can do is squeeze that on the chicken. Because, oh my God, roasted garlic. If you haven't roasted it, do so. It's beautiful. So then it says put the halves in the chicken as well. So they're going in. Okay, 2 tablespoonfuls of oil. Oh, this isn't going to work, is it? Right, okay. Yeah, I'm not measuring the oil. It's 2 tablespoonfuls. Okay, very good season. There's no stock cubes in here, so you know, or any chicken stock. So you are gonna need plenty of seasoning. Now I'm gonna have to stir, get my fingers sticky, I think. Actually, That's interesting, isn't it? I can't toss them because I've used a small tray. And then when these come out after 15 minutes, we're then going to put the chicken thighs on the top. Again, I'm using chicken thighs because they're cheap and cheerful. Great summary. Yeah, we have to pack, yeah. Right, just let me wash my hands and I'll get that into the oven. I mean, you could, when I'm thinking about it, if I had more time, I could have prepared a really nice Greek salad and had that with this. That would be delicious. So there's one for you folks to think about. I mean, it's midweek for me, and what we're going to just have is garden peas. I mean, anything that's easy during the week. But thinking about it, Greek salad would go so well with that. You know, crunchy greens, feta, delicious.
Right, we'll be back in 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're going to get the tray of veggies out. Just stand back a minute. That's 200 degrees the oven, by the way, guys. It's sizzling away very nice in there. Right, so let's just put these chicken thighs skin side up, just like that. And it says another tablespoonful of oil. That should do it. And let's get that back in the oven. Smells good. Right, that's going in for 20 minutes. Okay, I'm just checking the clock. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 minutes, and then we come back and we stir the veg and put them back in. It's just kind of to make sure that all of the potatoes and everything cook. Stir that round, and then we put lemon zest in and we put them back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. It says it does take 55 minutes to cook, which I think is realistic, because they're giving the chicken close to 40 minutes, which is right, and they're giving the veg that extra 15, so I think that's pretty good, really. And the fact it is fairly straightforward, it's very simple, and like I say, you could put a bag of rice with it, couldn't you? You could put anything you wanted with it. If you're one of these people who like sauces, though, there's actually going to be no real sauce to speak of, so that's something to bear in mind. Maybe coleslaw or something served with it, I don't know. But anyway, we'll see how we go when we finish. Actually, what I do want to say, before I forget, is one of our supporters on the channel, Karen, she has had a rough time. She's not terribly well. Karen, I just want to say, John and I were thinking about you the other night. So take care, my love, and keep watching, and we'll have a chat soon, I'm sure. Also, shout out to Janice and Dorinda. I can't remember all your names, I'm afraid, at the moment, because I should have wrote you down, but those people who comment, you really keep me going, and you do make me giggle, because I do get some fun comments. So thank you for all taking the time. Thank you for watching me. And come back and have fun. See you in about 20 minutes. Right, we need to give the veg a stir. Whoa. Smells yummy. Now apparently I have to put the it's just making sure everything gets moved around, I think. The garlic smells good. Right, okay. Now I put the lemon zest as well. Let's give it a little more seasoning. Lemon zest goes in now, and we'll go into the garden and get a little bit of dill to dress it with. Okay, back in, so it goes in for its last 20 minutes, and then dinner will be ready. That smells really nice. By the way, folks, don't worry about us saying we eat less. We have a meal with protein, vegetables and what have you. But then we also have things like cheese and crackers. That's not all we're eating. So don't anyone, people say to me, you don't eat enough. I eat too much, especially since this one's home with me a lot more now. See you soon. I think I need to take some of these long, older ones off. That one needs to be got rid of, I think. Well, actually, I'll take those up. I can do things with them. Take a bit off the top as well. If we have prawns or anything, that'd be good. The limes are doing lovely. Have you seen this? We've got another lime there. We've got another one. Oh, look at that. We've got all these baby limes coming. Look at these. Marvellous. The rosemary's looking... Now, we're going to need to do something with rosemary. Maybe skewers on the barbecue. Get some lamb and things like that. Lavender's looking really good. Yeah, it's all coming together slowly. Well, they need a bit more. I can tell now. The chicken needs a bit more. Let me just... The skin's not crispy enough. Oh yeah, 80. Let's just check. Oh, the others are smaller. Ooh. Yes. Done. All done. All safe.
So you're going to put dill over these?
I am when I serve them.
Okay.
So I'm going to need you to get the plates out or the dishes out. You could have these in dishes or just sprinkle and some peas done. I'm going to get some peas. Right, okay, this smells delicious. Now I've put the potatoes and the fennel, I've put them on a little bed of rocket because rocket kind of wilts down like a spinach, which I love rocket with anything. Hi guys, did I enjoy that meal? Yes, I really did. The fennel was beautiful with the potatoes, and it almost became like having caramelised onions with the potatoes, except with the fennel-y flavour, and the lemon cut through so beautifully. John's not as big a lemon fan as I am. Yeah, you really enjoyed it, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah. There was nothing left at all. It was absolutely good. And the rocket worked as well. That was kind of my addition to like throw a bit of greens in. But it worked. It all just came together beautifully. But like I say, you could put that with a salad or anything. It was a really nice, easy dish and very cheap. So definitely give it a try. And that being said, we're just going to have our cheese board now and see you very soon on the next. I haven't worked out exactly. I've got a few things lined up. I've just got to decide which one should come next. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.